Wow. Oh my God. Incredible. Look at that. It's even more beautiful than the pictures. Welcome to Lake Tahoe. It's so beautiful here, and I can't wait to show you around. Welcome back. Did you know that Lake Tahoe is actually the largest alpine lake in North America? It's incredible.
Known for stunning clarity and deep blue color home.
Surrounded by beautiful Sierra Nevada mountains. The water here in Lake Tahoe isn't just blue and beautiful, it's incredibly pure and so cold. You can see straight through it to the rocks below. Wow, this is it. Absolute perfection. Look at that view. Ah, finally. All right, tent is down. Looks like the perfect spot. All right, time to set this up. Almost there. One more arch and we'll be cozy. All right, pole one is in. Just need to tighten it a bit. Ooh, look at that. Perfect. Woo! Ready for a weekend retreat. Good. All right, that should hold it. Perfect. Now we're ready. Wow, this is even more beautiful than I imagined. I have to go in. Time to do this. The water looks incredible today. But it feels so good. God, this is cold. But it's beautiful. Ah, this is absolutely perfect. So beautiful here. Amazing, isn't it? Pure joy. All right, perfect. Ready to catch some breakfast. I think I got one. Almost, there it is. Got him. Oh, whoa, oh, one. Oh, yeah, come on. I got it. Yes, I got it. Look at that. It's a huge one. Look at this. It's a beauty. Wow. So proud of you. Look what I caught.
Wow.
Wow. Those look delicious. Almost done. This is gonna be delicious. Ah, this is the perfect cup. Would you like some? Ah, that was perfect. I feel so content right now. Ah, this is just what I needed. So peaceful out here. Ah, that's better. It's so cozy in here. Almost done here. This is gonna be so cozy. Onto the tent poles. All right, tent's done. Now to pack everything else. So much.